Today I want to talk about something that's come up a lot lately, and it could save you a serious headache if you're buying in the property market in Queensland. We're talking about pre-contractual legal advice, more specifically, why quick verbal contract checks are risky business and why taking shortcuts here and there can cost you in the long run. So if you're an agent or a buyer or even just looking to get into the market, here's what you need to know. Let's start with what we're seeing more and more of buyers being told. It's all good to sign. A quick phone call or a quick skim of the contract without context and actually checking the information is correct. The truth is, a one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't work when it comes to property contracts. Your property contract is a legal agreement with binding obligations. Without prior, proper written advice, it's easy to overlook details that could cost you thousands and lock you into something that doesn't actually suit your goals. We recently actually had a client come to us from another firm after having a rushed, go ahead and sign advice without even properly being engaged by the client. That advice was based on zero context and it almost exposed the buyer to some serious risk. Fortunately, they trusted their intuition, got in contact with us, and we were able to help before things went sideways. So the bottom line, if someone is offering pre-contract advice without knowing who you are, what your goals are, or without putting anything in writing, that's a red flag. So what does good pre-contract advice actually involve? It's a clear breakdown where we walk you through the contract in plain English, no legal jargon, just what the clauses mean and what you need to look out for. Tailored context, of course. We don't just look at the contract. We consider your position, your property goals, and your future plans. We provide written advice which creates a record of what was said. That means you're protected, but so are we. At East Legal, we practice in property law. It's what we do every day, all across Queensland. We offer pre-contract advice with fast turnaround, and we're always upfront about timelines and what to expect. If you're unsure about your contract or someone's told you just sign it, please take a breath, reach out, whether you're working with us or another firm. It's important that you're getting proper written legal advice from someone you trust. If you'd like to have a quick chat about this and how it might affect the process, or if you just want a second opinion, I'm always happy to help. And if this has been helpful, feel free to share the video with your clients or colleagues. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.